Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. For those of you who have been watching my channel for a while, you probably are aware of my rather unnatural interest in Chapman's Tiger Tail ice cream. So, when my wife came home one day with a box of this stuff, I was like thrilled. This is really cool. This is Chapman's Canadian Collection Sorbet Bars. Tiger Paw, orange and chocolate. Not quite Tiger Tail, but okay, Tiger Paw. So let's have a look inside. They're 90 calories per bar, 8 of them in the box. I'll have to admit the box isn't full anymore. But anyway, sorbet bars, orange sorbet, milk chocolatey coating, all natural flavors and colors. Let's have a look inside. There we go. There's one there. I've left one for you guys. 2, actually. Alright, so it comes in a little package like that. Ingredients, nothing you want to know. So, first reaction, small. Definitely small. Now, you know, admittedly, it does say it's 55 milliliters. So, yeah, okay. Nice wooden stick, though. And it says Chapman's on it. Look at that. Fancy. So let's have a go. So it's this orange stuff all the way through. And it's got this chocolatey coating on the outside. Tastes a lot like Easter Bunny chocolate. So it's cool and refreshing. I'll give it that. It does have exactly the flavor they describe. Orange with chocolatey flavor. Can't say that I'm thrilled with the chocolate. And as I'm getting it more into the orange, it kind of tastes like, I don't know, just kind of citric acid in a frozen form. I'm not a big fan. I'll eat them. I'll definitely eat them. But I'm not a big fan. Yeah, the orange isn't right. It's not orangey enough. You know, I kind of expected like a creamsicle, which would be more vanilla with orange on top, but definitely not that. No, it's got kind of almost a medicine taste to it, which is wonderful in an ice cream treat. I do like the stick. I'm not sure why. Kind of reminds me of ice cream cups from when I was little. But yeah, well, there we go. So that's got the right side here. Chapman's Canadian Collection Tiger Paw, or in French, Pâte de Tigre. There you go. Now you know I'm bilingual. Yeah, it's okay. They're all right. On a warm day like today, they're pretty tasty. Hit the spot. I don't think I'll be getting another box, though. All right. See you later. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe below. Leave your comment. Have you tried these things? Kind of strange.